Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of There are Always Teacher Asking for Parents, chapter 54. So here it is. Let's read the story. Talk to Liu Shishao right now. Selective tenderness based on sufficient strength and security. So right now, Lu Shishao sees Xian's on the different side. Her gentleness chose me, so I was inexplicably attracted to her at that night. When we first met, so right now, Lu Shishao, she was really thinking about Xian. Well, at least right now, she is really fun to her. To see her on different side. I don't know, when I think of Xian again, I will laugh unconsciously. Well, definitely, she was doing it. Of course, she was only restraining herself and also denying hers. Since Lucia was alone, she was really thinking something, but right now, she was looking at her phone. Probably, she was waiting if Xian's gonna text her, since Lu Wei was there. Lucia, I said something so harsh today. Do I need to coax her? Right now, she was reading her phone. Well, probably she was really shy how to say sorry to her. After dinner, in Xian's living room, Nunu, why are you still crying after dinner? Xian is asking Nunu. Well, this girl. Xian said, stop crying and smile. Well, definitely. Xian was here to coax her daughter. Xian, she really likes Lu Wei. In future, the two of them are really close. But when Lu Wei looked at her, she was still crying. Probably she really feels sorry, but she really disappointed Xian and also her mother. You look so beautiful when you're smiling. Xian is trying to comfort her, trying to wipe her tears. But Lu Wei, right now, she's been sensible. She really feels sorry. Teacher C, sorry that I cheated. Now, she was still crying. Also, she really feels bad. Of course, right now, it was really good that she know her mistakes. She know how to say sorry about it. Lu Wei said, I promise I won't do that again. So it turns out she really did it. Right now, Lu Wei, Nunu, it's okay. You make mistakes, but you must correct them once you know you are wrong. I know that you are afraid of failing the test and disappoint your mother. Xian is comforting her right now. But if you tell one lie, you have to cover it up with 1,000 lies. Your mother would rather see you improve little by little than getting high score by cheating. Well, Xian, she was really sensible. Right now, right now she's trying to teach Lu Wei. And that would be give you a sense of accomplishment, wouldn't it? Xian, she was really soft-hearted, even though right now she knows that Lu Wei really feel bad for herself, but right now, Xian, Teacher C, I understand, Lu Wei said to her. Then, wait a minute, I will take you home, okay? Xian said to Lu Wei. Right now, Xian, she was looking at Lu Wei. I don't want to go back yet, Lu Wei said to her. Now, looking at Xian, she looks really apologetic. Teacher C, can you stay at your place tonight? I sleep on sofa and won't cause you any trouble. Well, probably she was still afraid of her mother right now. That's why Lu Wei is asking her. Xian said you should tell your mother and get some clean clothes. Lu Wei said, Teacher C, you're so nice. Well, definitely Xian. She was really soft-hearted. At the same time, on Lu Shishao's family house. Well, Lu Shishao, she was only sitting on a couch, probably waiting for Lu Wei to come back. How to cook Xian. The words she said were so hurtful, so no matter how tolerant, gentle she was could be, she could let it go. Her daughter was really hurt when she speak too much today. Right now, Lu Shishao, she was thinking, well, definitely, you need to say sorry for the two of them. Lu Shishao, if you are at home, opened the door. Sian was calling her from outside. Sian was there. She opened the door. She's seeing Sian. Well, definitely Sian will come by, coax her and also to guide her and teach her something. Sian, she was really pretty good at this. Also, she was really high tolerant. In this life, Sian, she was always there for Lu Shishao. Does Sian really forgave me? Well, definitely, she was really shy to ask her. She looked at Sian. Sian noticed that Lu Shishao, her anger is done. She have a good time. Well, seeing her like this, Sian, she became speechless. Although deep inside, she was really happy that Lu Shishao finally, she already calmed down. It's a pitch black so you don't have to worry about bumping into things while walking. Push the switch to turn on the lights. Sian, she came by. Why is this person always like this? Lu Shishao said to herself. Of course, it was always Sian. She was always pushing herself towards the hearts of Lu Shishao. I'm such a proud person and I said such excessive words, but right now Sian was there and also trying to coax her. Well, of course, it was Sian. She was always good to her. And she touched her face and said to her, my eyes are full of tears. Will you cry later? Oh, Sian. She was really good at coaxing people. A few minutes ago, she tried to coax Lu Wei, but right now, of course, she really wants to coax Lu Wei's mother. It was Lu Shishao right now. It seems that her face is still red. But Sian interrupted her. Oh, she was really sweet. Right now, Sian. She was looking at Lu Shishao. Lu Shishao said to her, with the teary eyes, it was good. Well, everything's turned well. You really did a great missions. But when suddenly bumped to each other right now, Sian Sand, she was looking at her. Finally, she already calmed down. Well, this girl, she wanted to trick Lu Shishao again. Sian said to her. Lu Shishao suddenly paused. Hey guys, here's the next episode preview. Sian said to her, New said she wanted to stay at my place tonight. Do you agree? Lu Shishao answered her and said, let her do it. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hey guys, membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye!